In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your PayPal account to Stan Store so you can start accepting payments from other people for your digital products and services. So once you're on the Stan Store dashboard, you want to go to settings in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you're here, you then need to go to payments. And inside of payments, you can add Stripe or PayPal. We're going to add PayPal, so click here plus add PayPal. That will then open up the PayPal window. You can then connect to PayPal, and then that will redirect you to PayPal. Now, once you're here, you need to log into your PayPal account. So log in with the correct email and select the correct country here. So once you've done that, you're now going to need to log in. And then after you've logged in, it's going to connect the two. You'll then be all ready and Stan Store trade under Find Community Inc. So go ahead and click return to Find Community. And then here you can see your PayPal has been connected. Just refresh the page then and you'll see your PayPal has been connected here. That's all you need to do. I hope that helped you out.